What's up, guys? I'm currently in Wyoming, Lincoln Highway. Pretty cool here. This is an overlook. I know the camera's not going to pick it up, but Lincoln Highway, that's Lincoln. That's Lincoln Highway right there.